morning everyone. We will start with the first chapter, that is resources. Through this chapter, I would like to analyze and appreciate role of human as resource. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask some questions. My first question is, what are resources? Anything which is of use is called a resource. Example, water, textbook, trees, etc. Because we use them in our daily life. My second question is, can you think your life without water? No, not at all. On the basis of utility and usability, we classified them as resource. Whenever we have resources, it gives some value. Value means worth. Value can be classified as economic resources and aesthetic value. Economic value means that adds money to it. Aesthetic value, it tells us about its beauty. Trees are important for us. How does substance become a resource? Substance become a resource through time and technology. This can be clear with the help of example. Discovery of fire. No one knows how fire is important for us, but due to time and technology, people came to know about its use. It is used for burning and cooking. Types of resources: natural resources, human-made resources, human resources. Natural resources are the resources which comes directly from the nature. Example, green plants, trees, etc. Human-made resources which we have built us. Example, bridges, roads, etc. Human, we the people with knowledge and skill have the quantity and ability to work around various issues, and the development of resources is called HRD, which means Human Resource Development. Thank you.